So this is just more specific now about social engineering, and it says social engineering is often used to try to gain unauthorized access to a computer system. Phishing is a commonly used social engineering technique where emails are sent that pretend to be from a reputable organisation or company to try and obtain personal details. Describe another 2 social engineering techniques. You should also explain measures that an organisation can take to try to reduce the security risks from phishing and the 2 other social engineering techniques you have described. So, it's worth 6 marks. So I've got to mention 2 others, and I am going to choose blagging and shouldering. And blagging is pretending to be someone legitimate, and shouldering is looking over a shoulder to watch password entry. In order to stop someone pretending, you could train staff, and you could use authentication that can't be given up by accident, like biometrics. And then with shouldering, keep computers or workstations away from sight. Like, be careful where they are placed. Anything else? Because it says 6 marks, and we've got that last little bit that says you should also explain measures that an organisation can take to try to reduce the security risk from phishing and the 2 others. So I've said about the blagging and the shouldering. I suppose training, it covers phishing as well, doesn't it? So that would probably give me my 6 marks if I write it really well. So let's just figure out how to word this question now that I've planned it out. Social engineering is often used to describe another 2 social engineering techniques. You should also explain the measures. So blagging is another social engineering technique. This is when someone pretends to be a legitimate user of the company to gain illegal access. So I've covered that point, I've said it and I've explained it. So my next one, shouldering, is a third social engineering technique where someone could watch a person typing a password over their shoulder Okay, so to protect companies from social engineering, you should train staff on the risks. You should separate computers. Don't have them facing external windows, because you don't want people looking over their shoulder through an office window. And use biometrics for authentication.